Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, reduced rainfall is already impacting Jamaica's water systems, prompting an urgent review by the government's Drought Management Committee.
The committee, chaired by Water Minister Matthew Samuda, met today to assess declining water storage levels and worsening drought conditions.
Now, the Meteorological Service is projecting below normal rainfall for the upcoming April to June period, raising concerns about prolonged dry conditions.
The National Water Commission, NWC, is also reporting that 133 of its 612 water supply systems are already affected by reduced inflows, with water restrictions possible if conditions worsen.
Now, western parishes remain particularly vulnerable following Hurricane Melissa, while irrigation challenges are mounting in the Yalas Basin.
In response, the minister has ordered emergency assessments of rural water systems and storage capacity at critical institutions, including hospitals and schools. Additionally, through the NWC, 77 water trucks are now available island-wide to support communities facing supply disruptions.